So today I'm going to be making some bibimbap. The term bibimbap means mixing various ingredients, while the bap refers to the rice. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take about 2 tablespoons of our gochujang sauce. Yeah, so this part of the video, this is actually the most important part. So if you're trying to make bibimbap, this is pretty much what you need. It's the sauce. This is what makes bibimbap. It is this right here. This is the gochujang sauce. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Gochujang sauce. So it's pretty much a Korean hot pepper paste. It looks like that. Can you see it? All right. It took me about 3 supermarkets to find this thing. So hopefully you guys are able to find this in your local supermarket. If not, I'm gonna try and see if I can make this from scratch in another video. So next up, we're gonna add in our soy sauce, about a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and I didn't have any sesame seeds, but I did have these everything for a bagel kind of seasoning from Trader Joe's, and it works just fine. So give this a nice mix and we'll move on to the next one. So bibimbap was created to pretty much use up any vegetables that are about to go bad in your fridge and pretty much just toss it in the saute pan and use it as an ingredient for our bibimbap. So anything that might be going bad, you can pretty much use. So for this one, I had some carrots lying around in my fridge, so I just cut them up and julienne them, and that's what I'll be using as one of my ingredients for bibimbap. Alright, so next up we're going to just start sauteing these guys up. So I'm going to start off with my carrots, throw some salt and pepper in there, and then I had some spinach also. Next up, some bean sprouts. Pretty much just toss them in the saute pan, and the last part of it is the egg, sunny side up. Alright, so we'll start gathering all of our ingredients that we're going to need to build our bibimbap. So we had our spinach that we just finished, bean sprout, carrots. I had some kimchi also, and I also had some leftover pork belly and I'm just going to use that also. So after all your ingredients are prepared, you can start building your bowls. Now, as I said before, you can use any vegetables you have lying around in the fridge. Mushrooms, cucumbers, zucchini, all of these things work great with a bibimbap. You know, just as long as you're using the main ingredients for it. So you just have your egg, your gochujang sauce, and your rice. You pretty much have a bibimbap anytime you want. So, you know, give this a try and let me know what you guys think of it. And if you've never made one before, if you made bibimbap before and you think I did something wrong, you know, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, hopefully you guys give this a try, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Peace. So good. Alright, so if you like this video, go ahead and let me know if it gave you any kind of value at all in the comment section down below. Give it a thumbs up, and you know, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. It is still quarantine. I think we're like in day 65 or something like that in the lockdown. So I am making a lot more videos. I'm cooking more in the house, just trying to stay inside a lot more. So making these videos are actually keeping me a little bit more sane than, you know, just binging in the couch,
you know, binging on Netflix, and you know, I'd rather just be making video and creating content and creating and making recipes and, you know, doing all these sort of things. So if you like this video and you want to continue to see more of this video or this kind of like format, let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, have a great day. Peace.